All right, hello, hello. Not financial advice, just for my entertainment. You know the routine. Don't follow me. All right. This is Celsius, and it's an energy drink maker that has signed a deal with Pepsi a while ago to distribute its product. Um, don't know if you know, but one of the greatest stocks ever has been Monster. Its stock price has been crazy. And I'm not saying that Celsius is going to reproduce what Monster's done, but people have talked about that comparison. Um, the reason I'm looking at it is because it seems like a very popular drink. I should try it, but I haven't. I have a few shares, really not a lot, like seven or something. I mean, I've sold one recently. Um, this is the chart. And what's interesting is it's been in the kind of this channel, sideways channel for a while. The support's been at 48-ish, 48 down to 46, kind of in this range. But the last few days, it's really started to rocket. Um, and it broke above today, this high here of $63 or so, right? 62.92, 62.99. Okay, it broke above that today. It didn't close above it, but it touched it, and volume's picking up. On the 28th, in about 2 weeks, it's going to report earnings. And I think maybe there's a chance it's going to run a bit. It might run up to the 70s. 70 is its all-time high. And so I'm thinking of just to risk manage, I may end up selling the shares that I have in Celsius. I have sold puts on Celsius and made some money. And so collectively, I've probably made like $100 on Celsius. I might take $60 of that if I can get in tomorrow and buy the $80 call. The $80 call for March 1st, which has a huge bid ask. I mean, it's really kind of bad. But this is the maximum call that I could buy. It's $60. It's a bit of a risk. $75 one has a large um, bid ask spread also. But you can see today, just on a 5% move, this option moved like 48%, supposedly is 56. So, these options can really move if, they're risky, but they could really move. And so I'm trying to rationalize it basically that I've already had profits in Celsius. I could take some of my profits, bet it on this. I'm going to sell before the earnings call and just take whatever I can get. And I'm hoping that it will, continue to make these moves because if it moves another $5 or so, or $70, you could easily double that call. But the other issue is we're getting to a very overbought situation or getting close to it. So um, could easily see there being a small sell-off. Um, got overbought in the morning, really jacked up in the morning. So that's what I'm thinking about. I don't know what I'm going to do. Like I said, I have profits in it, but I kind of want to bet on earnings. I just think the anticipation is going to be huge. And so the IV expansion, the implied volatility, should probably expand, which will add value to the option. Plus, the price of the stock itself should be rising if it can carry some of this momentum. So that makes you feel like there could be a pop. But once I decide what to do, I will sell the shares to de-risk as I take on the risk of this call. Anyway, it's just something I'm thinking about, not financial advice, right? Um, right. I'm just talking, it's just entertainment. It's just kind of me talking to myself in a way, trying to think about the problem. And it's not financial advice. Don't blame me if you lose all your money because you did something stupid like listen to me. Anyway, thanks for watching.